This is Elliot Liu from Zhongtuo Reforming Machinery. I'm the sales manager of our company, and I do the sales job since the year 2015. And I think I have experience to do the furniture business. And at the same time, I can give my customers some good suggestions or ideas about the machine. And the well-known, just now we introduced the wheeler structure machine. That structure is used for the wheeler only. The wheeler is some small horse, like right? So now let me introduce another machine for you. This machine we named it CZ purlin machine. This machine can produce both C and Z. The products used for the structure of some warehouse, some big house, like a warehouse like this. And the thickness of the raw material from 1.5 to 3 millimeters. As we can see, this thickness is a little bigger, right? So then, because this is heavy-duty machine, and this is used for the structure of the warehouse. So the thickness is very important for this machine. This machine produced for all customer from Africa, and we will do the shipment of this machine soon. So now let me introduce this machine for you. As we can see, this machine is a long machine. The machine length about 12 meters and width about 1.5 meters. This machine can produce different thickness and width and heat profiles. And you do not need to adjust width and heat by manual. You can adjust width and heat by PLC. That means, for example, if you want to produce C profile width 200 meters, you just need to set the parameters on the touch panel, and then the machine will adjust the width automatically. And now let me introduce this machine for you, one part by one part. This is the feeding part. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rollers on this machine. The top rollers quantity is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The bottom rollers is in total 6. This part we named it a living part, feeding a living part. This part is used to guarantee the plate before forming are plain and neat. This can guarantee the final product straight but not twist. Those wheels used to adjust the gap of top roller and bottom rollers, because sometimes we use different thickness material, right? So those wheels used to adjust the gap of top roller and bottom rollers to guarantee the sheet before forming straight and neat. And now let me introduce the forming part for you. As you can see, the frame of our machine adopts the cast steel frame. This frame looks very strong and heavy. All those parts are installed together by both, but not welded together. That means in the future, if some parts have problem, you can fix it easy, but not hurt and damage the machine. The rollers of our machine adopt CR15 material. This is the best material for the purlin machine. As well known, for some more less steel machines, our machine adopts the CR12 material. But for this machine, because it's heavy and big, if we use CR12 material, then the machine cost will be high, it's too expensive for the customer to afford. So this machine will adopt CR15 material. This is the material for the big. This is the roller material for the big machines, but not small machines. As we can see, there is a small motor here in one side of this machine. This motor used for the width adjust of the forming station. And we can see there is a slid way here, right? That means the frame will move along the slid way. After we start adjustment, this motor to supply the power for the moving of the frame. Let's check how many roller stations put on this machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23. In total, there are 23 forming roller stations on this machine. The more forming station, the more forming roller, the more precision the final product will be. As you can see, on this side, there are two with adjusted motors. The first one, the second one. And at the same time, this machine can produce both C and Z purlins. Let me tell you how to adjust how to produce the Z purlin from Z purlin. You just need to adjust the rollers, open this part, and turn over the roller, and this machine can produce C purlin from Z purlin or Z purlin from C purlin. And you have to adjust in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. In total, 9 rollers to turn over of them, and then this machine can produce Z purlin from C purlin or C purlin from Z purlin. And my customer, please check this card. This is we named it hydraulic station. This station used to supply the power for the punching and the cutting device. There is a big motor on the hydraulic tank, and there are 3 pairs hydraulic oil peppers on this station. One pair peppers supplied power to the first station punching station. Second pair oil peppers to supply the power for the second punching station, and the third pair oil peppers to supply the power for the cutting, the final cutting tool device. This is another small motor for the width adjustment. On this machine, in total, 5 motors. One big motor for the drive of this machine. 3 small motor for the width adjust of this machine, and 1 motor for the hydraulic station. So in total, 5 motors. And the small motor, the power is 1.5 kW. And the big motor, this one, very big, power 18.5 kW. This power big enough for the drag of all the rollers. As you can see, on this machine, there are yellow safety cover. Because this machine adopts chain transmitting, so all the chains are outside. We need to put the safety cover on this machine to guarantee safe when the machine are running. You know, for some customer from Europe, this is very important. This is the CE standard, necessary for the CE standard. This can guarantee the workers' safety. check this punching part. As you can see, there are two punching stations on this machine. You know, the final products used for the structure of the warehouse. Some warehouse are installed by the boss, so punching is necessary. We have to punch the holes on the purlin, on the bottom of the purlin, and then we can use both to install them together. There are two punching stations on this machine. First station used to punch the holes in the middle of the bottom of the purlin. The second punching station, as you can see, the second station there are two punching parts. This pair punching part to punch a pair holes on two sides of the bottom of the purlin. We use hydraulic station to supply the power for them. Hydraulic station power is enough to punch at least 3 to punch 3 thickness raw material. And this is the cutter. This is the cutter of the machine. This cutter is different than the other cutter. Because this cutter, you know, all machine produce different size, C purlin and Z purlin, different widths.
您稍等一下行，我这会儿正拍摄视频呢，然后完事儿再联系你。
We adjust the cutter by change the blade. Cost will be very high because we have to prepare many different size blades. The cost will be high. So we design this kind of blade, this kind of cutter. One hair blade is enough to cut all the profiles. You just need to adjust the booth, and then the width of the purlin can be adjusted maximum 300 millimeter and height maximum 80 millimeter. And at the same time, this cutter can produce both C purlin, can cut both C purlin and Z purlin. C purlin is like this. C purlin is like this. Z purlin is like this. This is really how to say, good design for this kind of machines because it can really save your cost to buy. You know, if you buy too many blades, cost very high. And this is the receiving table of this machine. There are some support rollers on the top of the table. After the purlin comes down, you can move the purlin on the top, and then like person to move to another side waiting for the package, do the packing job. Please check it. This is the C purlin produced by our machine. C purlin, and you can see the thickness. Maximum can reach 3 millimeters. We will give you two pieces receiving table. Each piece is about 2 meters, so 2 pieces about 4 meters. Our machine you can size. You can produce any length and quantity purlins. This is the controller of our machine. As you can see, first of all, control panel is very big. It has both touch panel and buttons. For example, if a customer wants to buy some purlin from you, from your factory, they want 100 pieces, and each piece is 2.5 meters, and then you just need to set it here. For example, the C purlin length 2,500 millimeter, and the quantity 100 pieces, and then start this machine, and then the machine will produce automatic until finish. After finish the 100 pieces production, and then the machine will automatic stop. There are this is the whole line of this machine. In total, contains decoiler, forming machine, two pieces receiving table, one hydraulic station, and one control panel. This machine uses a 40 feet container for the delivery. The machine weighs about 12 tons. About 12 tons. And until now, we already sell many this kind of machine to our customers, such as USA, India, and Dubai, and Mexico, and Egypt. We have many customers. This is a standard machine, and it can produce many different size and thickness profiles. So this machine nowadays is very popular for the metal processing field. So in future, if you need this machine, you can let us know. We can give you a good price, and at the same time, we have stock machine for the CD purlin. As you can see, here we have full stock machine for the CD purlin. This is another CD purlin. It's same as another one I introduced for you just now. Just a different color. Just different color. Let's check it. And these two is also a kind of CD purlin machine. But this kind of CD purlin machine have some difference, and the one I introduced for you. First of all, this machine adopts hydraulic motor for the transmission, for the drive, but not by the electric motor. Hydraulic station we know cover maybe bigger than the electric motor, but at the same time, the maintenance job may be difficult or complex in the future. And at the same time, this machine, the forming station is a little less than the first machine I introduced for you. So this machine, the cost will be a little cheaper. The first machine I introduced for you cost about $14,000. This is the FOB price, and this one we can give you about $13,000. That's to say, have $10,000 difference. This is also a good machine. If your business is just, obviously, just at the beginning, you do not have enough budget. You want to earn some money first and then buy good machines. If this machine is better for you. This is a manual decoiler. The loading capacity is 3 tons. If you have a forklift, you just lift up the cars, and on the height of the collar is the handle to tense the center of the collar, and then use one end of the sheet insert to the machine, and this stop running, and this machine can do the forming job. This is all CD purlin machine. This machine, because we have a standard machine, so we have stock machines. If you are urgent to buy this machine, we can give you stock machine. Delivery time within 1 week after we got your deposit, and then we can prepare the delivery. After delivery, we send you a copy of the bill of lading, and then you can do the balance payment. This is all showroom. As you can see, we have many different machines, like the CD purlin machine, the floor decking machine, the stand truck machine, roofing sheet machine, different loading capacity decoilers, manual decoiler, hydraulic decoiler, 5 tons, 3 tons, 1.5 tons, 10 tons, with loading cart or without loading cart. And you know, we have many, different machines, and our customers, the requirements different. so machines customers. In the future, if you need any machines, maybe your profile is special, maybe different shape. You just send us the CD drawing, and then we can let our engineer to design the machine for you. And after engineer give us the proposal of the machine, then we can give you a detailed quote, and then you can consider make a decision. Okay, thank you everyone. If you have any questions about our machine, if you have any demand of our machines, just send us a message, and we will give you the response as soon as possible. Hope one day we can cooperate. Good luck. Bye bye.